Well, hey everybody, good Tuesday morning. Two meteorologist Travis Klineski here with another quiet day in store for today. About the only issue this morning is there has been some patchy light fog in the area. It's a little worse up towards east central northeast Nebraska. They've had some areas with the visibility dropping below about a mile or so, including places like Columbus, Omaha, up towards Yankton, Norfolk. Those locations have dealt with some fog this morning. A little cool this morning. It'll be a nice warm afternoon. Cooler the farther east you go, warmer the farther west you go. But I'm looking at quite a bit of sunshine for the day today. Overnight tonight, pretty quiet again. Can't rule out some patchy fog again after midnight, very similar to the last couple of nights. That's something that's going to be kind of a recurring theme over the next several nights here. And then tomorrow, a mainly sunny day again. Could be a few extra clouds compared to yesterday, and maybe even a couple of showers and isolated thunderstorms out west later on in the afternoon and evening hours. Those will mostly stay in the western part of the state and then kind of fizzle out towards Wednesday evening. Chances of rain for most of us still looking very limited in the coming days ahead. Highs today, low to mid 80s up north. Lots of sun, winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Warmer out west. They had a lot of upper 80s yesterday out west. Today it could be even a couple of degrees warmer. We're looking at mid to upper 80s and lower 90s for afternoon highs. In the south, upper 70s and lower 80s around the Tri-Cities and south central Nebraska, low to mid 80s down towards north central Kansas. And off towards the east, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Next couple of days, we maybe a degree or two warmer out there for Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, a couple degrees cooler. I think we'll have a few additional clouds. In fact, for the Tri-Cities area, if we see any rain, that would be your best chance, but it's not much greater than about a 10% chance, so I did not throw it in the forecast. The upcoming Labor Day holiday weekend does look a little warmer out there with plenty of sun expected. Mid and upper 80s and lower 90s will be pretty common out there, with the most likely warmest day coming in on Sunday. And overall looking pretty good, as it looks like we'll probably hold off on a cool down until just beyond the 7-day forecast. There are some models that try to cool us down by Labor Day Monday. I think it'll be more likely by Tuesday or Wednesday that we see some cooler air, more comfortable air start to work its way back in. And speaking of the weekend, of course, we have the first game day of the year between the Huskers and the Arkansas State Red Wolves, coming in from Jonesboro, Arkansas. It's going to be a warm day out there, so if you're tailgating during the afternoon, it's going to climb to the upper 80s during the afternoon. By kickoff there, just after 7 o'clock, we're looking at mid 80s, maybe low 80s, probably around 83 to 85 degrees out there around kickoff. And by the end of the game, say 10:30, 11 o'clock, temperatures should cool back into the mid-70s. So pretty enjoyable weather out there in Lincoln. Thankfully, an evening game, because we all know that if you've ever been to a Husker game when it's in the 80s and 90s, it feels very uncomfortable out there because of all the people that are packed in. It feels much warmer than what it actually is. And plus, with all that sunshine, you're going to have to be really wearing the sunscreen big time. But, of course, being nighttime, a little more comfortable out there, so that's the good news. So again, pretty short, sweet forecast for the most part. Things not too active over the next several days. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Tuesday, and God bless.